श्री कृष्ण को नमस्कार करते हुए आप सभी का अनंत अकेडमी ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स में स्वागत है। यह वर्कशीट क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स इफ वी हैव 4 क्वेश्चंस A, B, C and D. I will solve only B and D and you have to solve A and B by yourself. First, I will solve B part. 5 whole power x minus 3 into 3 power 2x minus 8 is equal to 225. Find the value of x. So 5 power x minus 3 means 5 power x into 5 power minus 3, because if base is same then power are added, into 3 2x minus 8 means 3 power 2x into 3 power minus 8 is equal to 225, and 5x into 3 square means 9. 3 square 9, क्योंकि देखो 3 2x can be written as 3 square whole power x. 3 square means 9 power x, तो 9 whole power x into 5 power minus 3 means 1 upon 5 cube. 3 power minus 8 can be written as 1 upon 3 power 8 is equal to 225. Now, if we see, base are different but power is same, so base can be multiplied to each other. 5 into 9, 45 whole power x, because power is same. So first we will multiply base 9 into 5 and whole power can be written as x, which is equal to 225. डिनोमिनेटर में है 5 क्यूब, राइट साइड जाएगा तो मल्टीप्लाई में हो जाएगा 5 क्यूब. सेम वे में 1 अपॉन में 3 पावर 8 है, राइट साइड में जाएगा तो वो भी क्या हो जाएगा 3 पावर 8. अब देखिए हम इसको इस तरह से ब्रेक करते हैं, जैसे 225 है, 5 से डिवाइड करते हैं, 5 4 जा 20, 5 5 जा 25. सो 225 कैन बी रिटर्न एज 5 इंटू 45, क्योंकि 45 मुझे बेस चाहिए. इसी तरह से 5 क्यूब मीन्स 1 2 3, 5 कैन बी रिटर्न 3 टाइम्स. 5 क्यूब मीन्स 5 इंटू 5 इंटू 5, एंड 3 पावर 8. 3 पावर 8 देखिए, 3 पावर 8 कैन बी रिटर्न एज 3 स्क्वेयर whole power 4, क्योंकि 4 to the 8 and 3 square is 9, 9 power 4. So we can write 3 power 8 is equal to 9 power 4, and 9 power 4 means 9 into 9 into 9 into 9, 4 times 9. So 45, 1 2 3 4, 5 power 4, 1 2 3 4, 9 power 4, which is equal to 45, and power are same, 4 and 4, so base will be multiplied. 9 into 5 45 whole power 4. Now both the base are equal, power should be added, so 45 power 4 plus 1 5. Left side 45x, right side 45 power 5. So if we compare the power, because base is same, after comparison the power 5 is equal to x. It means x is equal to 5 is the required answer. And the D part is 2 power 5x divided by 2 power x. 2 power 5x divided by 2 power x is equal to 2 power 20 and fifth root. It's fifth root. डिवाइड में पावर सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाती हैं, सो 2 पावर 5x माइनस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 4x आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग x फ्रॉम 5x, विच इज इक्वल टू 2 पावर 20. फिफ्थ रूट मीन्स पावर 1 by 5, and this can be written as 20 whole power 1 upon 5. 5 1 जा 5, 5 4 जा 20. So 2 power 4x is equal to 2 power 4. Now base is same, which implies power will be equal. 4x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 4. After divided by 4 we get x is equal to 1. The x is equal to 1 is the required answer. ठीक है, try these question by yourself, A part and B part. Please note it and solve it. And put the answer in comment. Okay.